Last week I said I was doing so well, and this is a week after. My house gets messy again. This is what happens when you're not sleeping well. So what happened was my sleep schedule has been messed up completely. My schedule used to be like a night shift and morning shift mix. So especially Saturday and Sunday, I work on Saturday night and Sunday morning. Saturday night, I come back home after work like 12:30 or even later, and I sleep at like 2:30 or 3. And the day after, which is Sunday, I had to wake up at 9. Basically, I get like 5 hours and a half or 6 hours sleep every weekend. Yeah, my schedule is set. Somehow while I'm working on Sundays, I feel okay, but after work, I come back home like 5 p.m. Feel so tired and I can't do anything. Oh, let me sit down. I can't do anything. It's not I don't want to. I can't because so tired. But this time I changed my schedule. I work only night shifts. So it will help me manage my sleep schedule and I can live routine. You know what? I just filmed for 10 minutes in vertical. I'm filming it again. Same thing. I'm actually repeating the same thing I said 10 minutes ago. So anyways, this week I slept really bad, like slept so late. I couldn't fall asleep. The problem is when I'm tired, I can't focus on what I'm supposed to do. I want to do, like filming video, editing video, like over related to my content. Instead, what I want to do is just play game or watch videos on my phone or iPad, which is not even resting. After watch a lot of videos or play game, I feel even more tired. When I have good sleep, when I feel good, I don't even want to play game. I don't want to even watch videos. I just want to focus on my thing. That's really, really strange. Or maybe everybody does the same. But the good news is, yesterday and the day before, I slept pretty good. Now I'm back on track. Yeah, since I wake up today, I was working on my video thing, and now I'm filming. Yesterday I called my wife and I told her about my sleep schedule has been messed up, and I told her like when I'm tired, when I don't get enough sleep, I can't focus on anything I want to do. Like I just want to be lazy, play game. And she's like, oh, and you're grumpy. So I was like, you're right. Yeah, she knows me. Yeah, sleep is very important. And so what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna hang the artwork onto the wall. And I wanna show you another thing. I got another artwork from my friend. Thank you. Yeah, it's already opened up because I filmed it just earlier. This is the thing. Look. Yeah, this is Myeongdong Street in Korea. A lot of signs, It's all like restaurants. It's all restaurants actually. Wow. I'm gonna open it up and hang it too. Da, da, da. You. So I'm thinking hang this here above the monitor. Oh yes, right? And then this on the sofa, like this. I think it should be good. Let's do that. Finally. So, yeah, I bought this. It's a picture hanging strips. I bought it like 2 weeks ago, I think. And I still haven't hung it. So now, let's do that. How do I do it? Oh, I have to. It says wipe wall with rubbing alcohol, but I don't have alcohol. Can I use whiskey? It's alcohol, right? I don't know. Oh, I'm hungry. How it works? I really don't like to read instruction. I'm really bad at it. Okay, separate strips. Oh, click together. Oh, ah, oh. These are set, so I have to click them together to make one, like this. Oh, I see, I see. Why don't they just make it like that? Stick on frame as shown. Oh. I'm so silly. Yeah, I should put here first on the frame. I was thinking I was gonna put on the wall first. That was so silly. Okay, right here first. How smart I am. Okay, let's do it. 보자. Above the monitor. This is too high, right? This? 이 정도면 되겠지. Okay. 30 seconds. I feel like 30 seconds too long. Yes. Oh, it looks nice. Next one. This one. This one is a really nice picture, huh? Same thing again. I went to orthodontist this week. I thought I was gonna take off my braces finally. So I started my braces since 2023 July. It's been 2 years and a half, more than that. Oh. But this time I couldn't take it off. I will explain why very soon. Let me do this first. 와, 진짜 멋있다. I like it. Okay, this one above the sofa. 이게 맞나? It looks good. I already did. Okay. 30 seconds. Okay, 됐다. Oh. I think I did well. Where were we? Oh yeah, so the reason why it delayed is I have tooth pain right upper side. The thing is that I thought it's tooth pain, but I went to dentist checkup. They checked up x-rays and all that. There's no problem with my teeth. So no cavities, nothing. And I realized that it wasn't my tooth hurting. It was every time I eat food stuck between teeth and it was irritating my gums. My gum was hurting, not the tooth. So I told my other doctor, I checked out my teeth and they said there's no problem and I have enough spaces for implants, so I can just take it off. We're ready to go. But the thing is that food always stuck in there, so is there any way we can adjust? And she was like, oh, I see. And she checked my teeth. So basically, my two teeth are like that. It's supposed to be like that, but now it's like this. The upper part is connected, but lower part has gap like this. So food always stuck there, and it gave me pain. So I think she grounded like this part, upper part, a little bit, and we are waiting for this teeth to move like this. 1 more month. And after 1 month, I go to the appointment, and if it looks everything good, then like 2 weeks later, I can take them off finally. It is what it is, and yeah, I want to fix it before I take them off. If I took it off last time, I would probably be pain all the time. I don't want that. I want to fix the problem. After this filming, I'm gonna have lunch real quick, edit this video, upload tonight. Hey, oh yeah, I didn't even realize until yesterday. Today is Valentine's Day. What's your plan? My plan is going to work. It's okay. Anyway, and you know this machine, this like workout machine. I don't know, like a shaking machine or something. You just stand on, and I don't even know what this is for. Yesterday, I told my wife, "Oh, do you remember the exercise machine, like it's shaking machine or something? Do you think I can throw it away?" She was like, "Why?" I was like, "I mean, I never use it, and it takes pretty big space, so." And she's like, I mean, if you need to throw away, yeah, you can, but you know." So I was like, I realized, oh, she doesn't want me to throw it away. So I was like, you know, but I remember, I didn't even see you were using this. She's like, oh, yeah, but you know, it might help you relax or something. You can try. It might be useful. So that's why I just don't want to throw away if it's useful. So I was like, okay. And she said, maybe you can make a video about that. So I was like, huh, interesting. Maybe I can. I don't really know about the machine, but I'm gonna make a short video about it and ask people what this is for and is it really helpful, or, you know, like gathering opinions. Yeah, this is it. I wanted to upload two long videos a week, but this week, cause the sleep schedule, everything is fall behind now. Now I'm back on track, so I'm gonna do well. And I thought something. Just I remembered something I was gonna say. What happened to me? I just remembered and I forget. 나 진짜 뭐 할 얘기가 있었는데. 진짜 기억이 안 나. It's a little embarrassing to say that. I don't know how to use Excel. I feel like everyone else does. Yesterday I was making a file for text purpose. Yeah, at the same time I learned how to use Excel. I'm still a beginner, but now I know like some functions. And it took me so long yesterday, but after I finished the job, I feel so good, so good. Because I feel like I learned something new. It may not consider as a skill, but I feel like it's a little small skill for myself. Yeah, and these days I'm thinking about contents a lot. My old channels are kind of stuck at that point for a while, like a couple months. It's not growing as I expected, as I wish. I'm trying to find out what works actually better. Let's see. If you have brilliant ideas, please share with me. I need more ideas. Okay, I'm going to have lunch right now and edit this video. Hopefully I can upload it tonight. Okay, bye bye.